If 5 cosine theta plus 12 sine theta equals 13. Find sin theta within the given interval. Cos theta equals the square root of in bracket 1 minus sine square theta. Substitute cos theta in the original equation, 5 multiplied by the square root of 1 minus sine square theta plus 12 multiply sine theta equals 13. Rearrange the equation, 5 multiply the square root of 1 minus sine square theta equals 13 minus 12 multiply sine theta. Take the square root of the equation. 25 multiplied by the square root of 1 minus sine square theta equals the square of 13 minus 12 multiplied by sine theta. Expand the brackets. Combine all terms in one side of the equation, simplify, and we have that 144 multiply the square of sine theta plus 25 multiply the square of sine theta minus 312 multiply the sine theta plus 144 equals 0. Simplify and let y equal sine theta. We have 169 multiplied by y square minus 312 multiplied by y plus 144 equals 0. Solve the quadratic equation form in y. Finally, we get that y equals in bracket 312 plus 0 all divided by 338. This implies that y equals 312 divided by 338. Simplify by dividing the result of 26 and we have that y equals 12 divided 13. Therefore, the correct option is B.